Have you ever wondered how a flat-screen TV goes from a pile of raw materials to a sleek, smart entertainment hub in your living room? Today we'll uncover the intricate process behind making a modern television. From the factory floor to your home, we'll take you step by step through how these high-tech devices are built, tested, and packaged. You'll be amazed at the engineering, precision, and innovation that goes into every TV. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the assembly process, this video will give you a detailed look at the journey of a television. If you enjoy learning about the technology behind everyday objects, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into how the world works. Let's dive in. Every year, over 200 million televisions are sold worldwide. The sheer scale of the production process is impressive, involving highly synchronized systems of workers, robots, and machinery. But how exactly are these televisions made? How do raw materials transform into the sleek, functional smart TVs we see in our living rooms? In this detailed breakdown, we take a deep dive into the LED television manufacturing process, exploring the steps that lead to the creation of one of the most essential household appliances. The factory overview. This particular manufacturing facility spans an enormous area of over 1 million square meters and produces 500,000 smart televisions annually. It is a modern, high-tech factory where machines and workers collaborate to assemble each television with precision and efficiency. The focus of this facility is primarily on large televisions, a market segment that is consistently growing in popularity due to increasing consumer demand for larger, more immersive viewing experiences. This factory is a prime example of cutting-edge production methods in the television industry. The lines are organized in such a way that every worker knows exactly when and where to perform their task. Machines are synchronized to provide seamless assembly, ensuring the rapid production of high-quality televisions. The evolution of modern televisions. In recent years, televisions have undergone dramatic changes. The most notable difference is the shift from bulky CRT televisions to the sleek, slim, flat-screen LED models we use today. The reason behind this evolution lies in advancements in manufacturing techniques, particularly the introduction of liquid crystal displays, LCDs, which form the core of most modern televisions, as well as computer monitors and smartphones. Compared to older televisions, LED displays provide richer colors and sharper contrast and are much thinner, which allows for a sleeker design. LED televisions are also more energy efficient, which makes them more environmentally friendly and cost-effective over time. These technological improvements have driven the demand for high-definition displays, further elevating the need for efficient mass production methods. Manufacturing the glass. The first critical component of a flat-screen television is the glass. Glass forms the screen and serves as the foundational material for the liquid crystal display, LCD. The process of creating the television begins with the preparation of the glass. The production process begins in a meticulously clean environment. A clean room is essential to avoid any particles, dust, or contaminants that could interfere with the delicate manufacturing process. The glass sheets used for the displays are first thoroughly cleaned and polished. This ensures that no impurities will affect the quality of the final product. Once the glass is cleaned, the next step is the creation of the LCD. The process involves sandwiching two thin glass sheets, which will form the two main layers of the screen. Between these layers, a layer of silicon is applied. This silicon serves as the medium that supports the liquid crystal material and ensures that the electrical charges are transmitted effectively throughout the screen. Constructing the transistor layers. After the silicon is deposited, a critical step in the manufacturing of the LCD is the creation of millions of transistors. These transistors are tiny electronic components that control the flow of electricity to each pixel on the screen. Transistors are responsible for ensuring that the screen displays accurate images by regulating the electric signals that pass through each pixel. This process involves an intricate series of steps that build up the transistors layer by layer on the glass sheet. The precision needed for this process is extraordinary, as even the smallest error could result in a malfunctioning television. The transistors are applied using a technique known as photolithography, where light is used to etch patterns onto the silicon, creating tiny transistor structures that will control each pixel. Creating the color filter arrays. Once the transistors are built, the next crucial step is the creation of the color filter arrays. Each pixel on a modern television screen consists of 3 subpixels, red, green, and blue, which combine to create the full spectrum of colors we see. To form these color filter arrays, millions of tiny cells are carefully constructed on the second glass sheet of the display. These cells are designed to hold the red, green, and blue subpixels in precise alignment, ensuring accurate color representation. A special material is used to create the red, green, and blue cells, each one acting as a filter that allows only the corresponding color of light to pass through. The quality of these filters plays a significant role in the television's ability to produce vibrant, true-to-life colors. The precise placement and construction of these color filters are critical to ensuring that the light passing through the display is properly filtered and dispersed. Even the smallest misalignment can result in distorted colors or blurry images. This highly accurate process helps in creating vivid and lifelike images on the screen. It's an essential step in the television manufacturing process that guarantees exceptional picture quality for the end user. Adding the liquid crystal material. Once the color filter arrays are ready, the next step is the most crucial part of the LCD construction, adding the liquid crystal material. Liquid crystals are special substances that change their alignment when an electric current passes through them. This change in alignment controls how much light passes through the screen, allowing the pixels to display different colors and shades. To add the liquid crystal material, a small amount is carefully dropped into each of the cells in the first glass sheet. The liquid crystals are then aligned using electric fields to ensure they can effectively modulate light when the screen is turned on. After this step, the 2 glass sheets are bonded together to create the complete LCD panel. Installing the LEDs. After the liquid crystal panel is created, the next step is to add the light-emitting diodes, LEDs, that will illuminate the display. LEDs are small, energy-efficient light sources that will provide the backlighting for the LCD screen. Unlike older LCDs that use bulky fluorescent tubes, modern LED TVs use thin strips of LEDs to provide even and efficient backlighting. A machine is responsible for placing the LEDs onto these strips. The challenge lies in evenly dispersing the light across a screen that can be as large as 1.5 meters wide. The solution comes in the form of transparent plastic, commonly known as plexiglass. When the LEDs shine light through one end of the plexiglass, the light is scattered across the sheet, ensuring even illumination. To improve the brightness and color quality, additional optical films are added to the panel. These films help enhance the light diffusion, making the display more vibrant and ensuring better contrast. Assembling the television's frame. Once the screen is complete, the next step is assembling the television's frame. This is where the television begins to take shape as a finished product. The frame is made using high-pressure plastic injection molding machines, which create different front casings for various television sizes. The frame is designed not only to hold the screen in place, but also to provide the television with an aesthetic appeal. It is here that the brand's logo, as well as other design elements, are integrated into the final product. Powering the television. While the screen is being built, the power components of the television are also under construction. 2 critical components are created on site: the SSV, System Control Board, and the PSB, Power Supply Board. The SSV is the brain of the television, containing the algorithms that manage the image processing, sound, and overall functioning of the TV. The PSB provides power to all the components of the television. These boards are essential for the television's operation. Without them, the liquid crystals would not function correctly, and the image would not display on the screen. Other boards, such as the Wi-Fi board, remote control receiver board, and additional control boards, are also assembled during this stage. Assembling the motherboard. At this point, the individual components are placed onto the motherboard. The motherboard is a large, flat circuit board that connects all the critical components of the television. Thousands of individual components, including capacitors, resistors, and chips, are placed onto the motherboard one by one. This requires immense precision and care to ensure each component is placed in the correct location. After all components are placed, the motherboard undergoes wave soldering. This process involves passing the board through a soldering machine that connects all the components by melting solder onto the contacts. Once the motherboard is completed, it is tested to ensure all the components are functioning correctly. Attaching the motherboard. Once the motherboard is ready, it is carefully attached to the back cover of the television. This is done using precision screwdrivers that are calibrated to avoid over-tightening, which could damage the components. To ensure efficiency and reduce worker fatigue, the screwdrivers are suspended from overhead arms, allowing workers to work without straining their arms. At this point, the television is almost complete. The back panel is added, and the television is turned on for the first time to perform an initial color and electrical test. Testing the television. The televisions undergo rigorous testing to ensure that they are functioning as expected. During the testing phase, the TV is placed vertically and turned on for the first time. This step involves checking that all components are working properly and that the television displays images correctly. Highly sensitive scanners are used to check the pixels on the screen, ensuring that all 2 million or more pixels are working and firing as expected. Each pixel represents a single point in the image displayed on the screen. HD televisions can have over 2 million pixels, with each pixel containing 3 subpixels: red, blue, and green. The combination of these colors allows the TV to display over 1 billion different colors, providing a truly stunning visual experience. Final quality control. The final quality control process is meticulous and typically lasts at least 4 hours. During this phase, each television undergoes a comprehensive evaluation to check its image clarity, color accuracy, sound quality, and overall performance. Any potential defects that might have been overlooked during earlier stages of production are identified and addressed promptly. This ensures that only the highest quality televisions proceed to the packaging stage. Once a television passes all tests, it is carefully hand-packed into sturdy cardboard boxes to ensure it remains protected during transport. This packaging process plays a critical role in safeguarding the product from any damage that could occur during shipping and handling. By the end of this process, each television is ready to be shipped to retailers and ultimately to consumers, with the assurance that it has met the high standards expected by both the manufacturers and the customers. Packaging and shipping. Once the televisions are securely packed into their boxes, they are placed onto pallets with hundreds of units grouped for efficient transport. The televisions are carefully stacked to minimize movement and ensure they remain in perfect condition during the shipping process. From the assembly line, the televisions are loaded onto trucks and prepared for shipment, either to retailers or directly to customers. This stage marks the final step before the product reaches its destination. The televisions, carefully handled and securely packed, begin their journey to homes across the globe, where they will provide entertainment, news, and information to millions of viewers. As they travel to various locations, they are tracked and monitored to ensure timely delivery. With every step, the production process is completed, ensuring that the televisions are ready to enhance the viewing experience of customers around the world. In conclusion, the process of making television is a remarkable blend of precision engineering, advanced technology, and meticulous attention to detail. From the creation of the liquid crystal display, LCD, and the assembly of millions of subpixels, to the intricate steps of installing LEDs and building the power boards, every stage plays a crucial role in delivering the high-quality viewing experience we enjoy today. The combination of sophisticated machinery, skilled labor, and rigorous quality control ensures that each television is produced with impeccable standards. Furthermore, the integration of modern technologies such as thinner designs and improved display brightness continues to enhance the performance of televisions. The continuous innovation in the manufacturing process, from smart TV capabilities to the creation of ultra-high-definition screens, reflects the ever-evolving demands of consumers for better, more immersive entertainment. Ultimately, each television that reaches your home is the result of an intricate, well-coordinated effort aimed at delivering excellence in visual technology. And that's how televisions are made. From the assembly line to your living room, every step ensures the highest quality and performance. It's amazing to see how technology, precision, and craftsmanship come together to create the TVs we enjoy every day. If you found this behind-the-scenes look fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next exciting journey.